Hi, are you gonna help me clean? Oh, you're so dirty. You are gonna be the opposite of helpful. Goodness, why are you so muddy? Ah! You're so muddy! Ooh, she's a doozy. So I am gonna try my hardest to clean up and get this house in a better condition in one day. Hi guys, I cannot lie to you. I have let our house get to an unacceptable level of messy. It's bad. Some rooms are really bad and it's been overwhelming me. So today is gonna be that day where we tackle it and do a good old-fashioned clean with me, declutter with me video. I also cannot lie that this video was super inspired by Mia, she cleaned her entire house in one video. And I'm not even talking like surface clean, like she went in to drawers and cupboards and decluttered the whole thing. And that's just, I can only dream and aspire to get to that level of deep clean. So we are gonna try and do that today. As you can tell, it's basically 9:30 in the morning up here in the good old north. Well, in a lot of places too. We're losing light early. It's an epidemic that usually fixes itself after December, but around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, it gets dark and that makes it harder to film things. So I am gonna try my hardest to clean up and get this house in a better condition in one day. I also wanna throw a disclaimer in and like a little plea for you guys to just be kind to me because you are about to see some things, okay? Girl's house has gotten somewhere on the messy scale, near the high end of the messy scale, okay? So we're not gonna judge. I know that you guys have messy houses at some point too. I don't judge you, please don't judge me. We're gonna fix this problem together, okay? You with me? All right, let's clean some spaces. All right, let's start with the living room. These shoes are literally from my Halloween costume. Halloween was how many days ago? That's right, I know, I'm aware. This box is an Amazon delivery for Christmas presents that showed up and it's just there. And I'm aware. The thing about our rug and everything on it is that the wood floors are very shiny, so like everything slips around easily, so the layout kind of gets messed up. This is a coffee table that pops up to be kind of like a work table, which is great, but it just looks like a hot mess, yo. I might try and fix this carpet with some sort of like rubber grippy on the bottom so it doesn't slide around so much and constantly look like a mess. Tree is up, which is something. Back here is like mid-present wrapping and that's kind of a mess. And oh, want to see something very unsatisfying? So on our vlog channel, I hauled getting this, I think it was the Notre Dame church. Very beautiful, and I thought I could light it up with this, which was also from a DIY project, but check this out, just check this out. Right? It's so close to fitting, but it doesn't. Will I fix that in this video? Or will I not? Stay tuned. A little plant I bought a while ago because I thought it was beautiful.
And I just left it here!
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get to cleaning. Okay, this is a rug pad that goes under rugs. I think its main purpose is to make rugs like softer to step on, but it also is kind of rubbery, so I think it will offer a little bit of grip. Plus I own this already, so. I think I'm gonna cut it down to the size of this rug because it is bigger than this rug. And I think I'm gonna use a little bit of hot glue to hold this to the bottom of the rug because when I used this on a previous rug I had, the rug kind of slid off of this sometimes, and that's not the point. All right, living room is complete. Now I think the next thing to tackle is this mess. This is supposed to be our front hall closet, and then this basket has like hats and scarves, but I don't know what happened. The coats don't make it in the closet apparently anymore, and neither do the shoes. So let's let's fix this disaster. I think the problem is that up here is like actual stuff that we never use. Like I don't even know what's in those bags. So therefore everything we do use has to fit like shoe wise underneath here, which is not enough room. So the plan is to put the shoes that I don't wear that often, you
can't even see them,
like heels, up there. And then there's space for the things we do use often to go there and then not here. Oh, I know what this is. Wait, this makes me sad. This bag is full of all of my old rock climbing gear from when I used to do that. Shoes, harness, bag of chalk. I should still keep all this, but so I should explain why it makes me sad. Ever since I hurt my shoulder 2 years ago, more, I haven't been able to do this anymore. And it is getting better, but I don't think I'm at that point where I can do it again. But I am gonna hold on to this because I'm hoping one day I get there because this was really fun. That's that bag. Oh, there's another pair of rock climbing shoes. What is, I don't even know what's in this one. Can we check out this bag though? Like, this isn't like retro 90s on purpose made now. This is literally from like the 90s, from when I was a kid. Oh, another hobby I don't do anymore. Oh, what has my life become? Snowboard boots. I wonder if I can sell these. They're not in awful condition. Look at them, they're like pink and purple. Oh my God, you guys. This is so funny. This has not been opened in like so long. Look at these gloves. They're finger gloves, but the grip is like star print. I had a thing for, or the 90s had a thing for, or the 2000s had a thing for rubber grip patterns. These are socks, but the rubber bits are hearts. Okay, I don't know what to do with this, because I don't even think I have my snowboard anymore. So I should just donate this to a secondhand sporting goods store. Look at these gloves. They are strawberries, finger gloves. The gold you find when you clean your house, guys. Dude, this thing is a literal device for tightening your laces on snowboard boots or skates. Like, this was a product that I owned. It's so funny. Dead, dead, dead. Okay, resuming cleaning. Can I just say, I have not been able to do this in a long time. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, girl.
Let's just address this. I know this is an issue. Came with the house like this, but I don't know how to fix just one of them. Might need a whole new door, but for now I just consider it art and history and character of the home. And I think eventually I'd like to get hangers for these and put them on this wall maybe, but they're just gonna chill here for now. All right, next up is the kitchen. Don't have too much to say about this one. It's just straight up a messy kitchen. So let's clean it. I think he gets excited when I talk to the camera because he thinks I'm talking to somebody else. Which I get it. Vlogging is a weird concept. And he thinks that friends are coming over to play with him. But sorry, bud. It's just me. Okay, on to the next vase. All right, this next vase. Oof. She's a doozy. And I know exactly why. It's entirely my fault because this is the room that's like my room in the house, and therefore I don't have anyone like keeping me accountable to keep it clean because it's my space, and that's why it's so bad. Okay, let me just rip the band-aid off. Let me show you my walk-in closet guest bedroom. You guys aren't even ready. Oh my god. What is that? What is that? Oh my god, what is that? This laundry bin is like stained. Oh my god. What is that? Yikes. A big ol' yikes comment under this video. The one thing I have going for me that makes me feel like less of a horrible person is that all of the clothes here on the floor are clean. It's clean laundry that I just haven't put away because, I don't know, hanging stuff feels like it takes way too long, even though we all know it takes like a second to put a shirt on a hanger and I just don't do it. So pretty much the bulk of this is just putting stuff away and maybe donating some clothes, but I don't know. How did I become this person? Let's clean up. Focus on me. So in a vlog a little bit ago, I cleaned out what I thought was all of my makeup. There was my bathroom downstairs, but surprise! Found another makeup bag in here while I was cleaning. It doesn't have a lot in it, but this stuff is old. And you know how I know it's old is because I found in it an Ellie Goulding times MAC collection. Do you see this? I don't even know what year this came out in. I was so excited to get this. If you guys don't know anything about me, I am like a huge Ellie Goulding fan, especially when this came out. Was huge fan of hers. It slides out, there's like a little highlighter in it, and I love this, but totally definitely expired now, for sure. Guess I gotta get rid of it. Plus also a while ago I decided to go cruelty-free with my makeup and MAC is not. Doesn't mean you should throw away everything you already own because of that reason, but that plus this is probably really expired. I should get rid of it, but that's pretty funny. Anyways, what else is in here? Anything good? An old Victoria's Secret perfume. Think this smells good anymore? Oh, that brought me back to some memes. I feel like scents are like a huge thing that when you smell something, you're like, I remember the time and the day and the event that happened around that smell. But yeah, this is probably really expired too and gross. Empty bottle of something. Honestly, oh, an e.l.f. concealer that's brand new. Most of this stuff is like so old and so expired, so that's it. All right, carry on. Ew, oh my god, while I'm already calling myself out for this entire video, look at this. This is also a throwback. This is, I mean, the green lid should tell you everything, but it's the Great Lash mascara, the clear one that I used to use to do my brows with, but like, ew, it's so gross because it's like half brown because of like other brow products that got mixed with it. It's time for you to go. This pile of things is goodies from Booby Ball, which was so fun, and you get an amazing gift bag when you go. And I think I just like left all the things that were sort of interesting here for me to deal with later. I said to myself, that's a later Becky problem. But now this is me now dealing with this. So I should really go through it and see what I actually need. Hair conditioner, can use that. Nando's sauce. I think I kept this because I figured Austin would like it and use it. Kit Kat Ruby Cocoa. I have never heard of this kind of Kit Kat before. I am intrigued. This is a gift certificate towards a hair service at a hair salon, and I need to get my hair done so bad. You guys don't even know. I'm one of those really annoying people who every day is like, oh, I need to get my hair done, and then I never book it because I just struggle finding a consistent salon that I like. So this is my sign. I should call them. I literally should call them right now, because if I don't, if I put this out of my hands, I'm never going to do it. I'm never gonna do it. I swear I watch YouTubers who get their hair done like every 3 months, and I'm like, wow, they're such good people at keeping up with themselves. Meanwhile, me over here, I literally do my hair like once, twice a year. Oh my, that sounds so bad. Okay. Oh my god, it's pink. It's pink. Hi. Hi. I need to book a hair appointment. Yeah. The pink Kit Kat is good, and I'm getting my hair done in 2 weeks. Today's been a good day. But we're still not done cleaning. think I want to tear up behind the camera at how beautiful this is. This floor. Who knew this room was so big? Not me for the past couple days, weeks. Thank goodness for YouTube and the trend that is cleaning up, because oh boy, did I not think that I would get this done in one day. So, the sun is starting to set. It's like 4 p.m. and we have one last room to tackle. All right, welcome to the bedroom. It's actually not that bad. The bed's just unmade, which is, wow. Okay, maybe it is a little bad. Also, I need to explain this before we get any further. This is not us trying to get a better Wi-Fi signal. This is, oh, there she goes. The remnants of Austin's Halloween costume. He was the Tin Man. This is his hat. Why we've, like, you can tell there's a theme. Halloween is the last time we did a really big house clean. Okay, like, no. And don't even lie to me if you don't have water cups in your room. If you're watching this right now, I have one thing for you to do, and that's go to your room and take all the water cups downstairs. You're welcome. The duvet cover is in the wash, and that's why there isn't one on the bed. That's all. We did it. This was the last major room that needed help, and it's been helped. All right, I'm staring right at a clock, and it's officially 4:40 p.m. We did all of this, all 1, 2, 3, was it 4 major rooms? Oh, plus the downstairs closet. That was enough of a job. It considered itself its own room. We did 5 spaces that needed pretty big help, and we did it all in one day. So if it's something that you thought was impossible, I'm here to tell you it's not that bad. And especially this was like a lesson to myself, because I'm a person who gets overwhelmed by thinking of like the big picture, so I don't do small things. But I realized through this process that like each one of those spaces maybe only took, like, if we do the math, an hour and 20 minutes? That's probably not right, but that's not that bad. When I was thinking about that guest room, my closet room, and I thought it would take me hours, so I just didn't do it. And it didn't take me hours. I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me video. We did a large declutter with me type video where I talked about other spaces such as my entire basement. I linked that video for you below so you can go check it out. And please subscribe to this channel. I am thinking about maybe doing some sort of mini makeover on this bedroom space. So if you'd like to watch that, tell me below in the comments, give us your thumbs up for this video, subscribe to this channel so I know you guys are enjoying this content, and I will see you next time.